Welcome to Now Trending. In this video, we're going to talk about top 10 animals with totally crazy body parts. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Now Trending for more trending videos. Adaptation and natural selection combine to create some stunning and graceful species. However, it also results in some animals with strange body parts. Is it true that sponges have lost their brains? What is it about the mantis' shrimp's allegedly telescopic eyes that's so strange? Why are the teeth of the sheep's head fish so disturbing? Well, let's find out. Number 10. Sponges' brain. Although current sponges are thought to be mindless creatures, some experts believe that this wasn't always the case. If not actual brains, these aquatic invertebrates may have formerly had something resembling them. If that's the case, why did the sponges get rid of their neurons? The evolutionary answer is straightforward. If sponges have lost their nerves, as BBC reporter Melissa Hodgenboom puts it, it's because they didn't need them and the loss benefited the creatures. Number 9. Mantis shrimp's eyes. The bulging compound eyes of the mantis shrimp, which are mounted on stalks, are remarkable. The eyes of the mantis shrimp, unlike those of humans, are not equipped with single lenses throughout which light funnels onto the retina. Mantis shrimp use their brilliantly colored body parts to communicate thanks to their ability to see a wide range of colors. The mantis shrimp's brilliant colors warn of its lightning-fast punch, which packs a powerful punch. Some shrimp species also have bioluminescence, which they can utilize to warn other shrimp to leave the territory. Number 8. Sheep's head fish's teeth. The teeth of the sheep's head fish are unusual to the point of being disturbing. They aren't the massive jagged teeth that most fish display. Instead, they're very evenly spaced and of comparable size. The fish's incisors, canines, premolars, and molars resemble human incisors, canines, and molars. It's not unreasonable to believe that a sheep's head fish could smile at a fisherman. In fact, in images taken by Nathan Martin of a specimen he recently caught off the coast of Nags Head, North Carolina, the fish appears to have been persuaded to say cheese. Number 7. Earwig's wings. The earwig's wings are amazing examples of natural development. The arthropod is the type of arthropod that lives on the ground. The insect, which has over 2,000 species, doesn't appear to have wings that are twice the size of their bodies when viewed from the side. These rear wings, which are intricately folded beneath the much smaller leathery forewings, are not visible until the insect raises the rear of its body, as explained in a National Geographic film. Number 6. Harvestman's legs. For many people, the harvestman is better recognized as one of the daddy longleg species. The harvestman has 8 legs, yet while being an acronid, it's neither an insect nor a spider, nor is it deadly, as some assume. The harvestman's legs are the most amazing weird bodily parts, and not just because of their length. Their legs can detect heat, water pressure, and a variety of substances, according to the researchers. Their multi-jointed legs also allow them to wrap their appendages around tree branches numerous times. Because their lower legs are so far away from the rest of their bodies, they have holes in them to keep their appendages oxygenated. Number 5. Tentacle snake's tentacles. The appendages that develop from the tentacle snake's face are one of a kind. No other snake on the globe is as well equipped as this one. If the reptile's tentacles give it a nasty appearance, author Beck Crew says its hunting strategy is diabolical. It can stay underwater for 30 minutes before resurfacing to take its next breath, so it's right at home in its natural habitat of Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam's lakes, streams, and rice paddies. Number 4. Spanish rib newt's ribs. The ribs of the Spanish rib newt aren't merely for supporting the abdomen. When attacked, the newt pushes out its ribs until they pierce through its body, revealing a row of bones that act as toxic barbs, according to Matt Walker, an editor at Earth News. Surprisingly, the newt appears to be unaffected by its strange defense strategy. Scientists have figured out how the aquatic salamander pulls off this astounding accomplishment thanks to photography and X-ray imaging equipment. Number 3. Shoebill stork's bill. Its predatory tactics are straightforward but effective. It just stands there and waits. When the prey approaches, it lunges, collecting anything else that's nearby into its large bill, including water, muck, foliage, or other hapless fish. The stork then shakes its head back and forth to clear any detritus it may have caught along with its prey before decapitating its living, squirming victim with its huge bill. Except for the swallowing, it's all over at this point. Number 2. Venomous platypus platypus's feet. More animals than you think might have unusual feet. The poisonous platypus's bodily parts are amongst the strangest of these. The foot's 5 claws, which appear abruptly at the end of each leg, fan out into a wrinkled, leathery web. The claws are attached to bifurcated folds, each of which connects a portion of the web on either side, further confusing the appearance of the animal's unusual foot. The claws of males are laden with poison, according to Weisberger, which experts believe is utilized to deter rival suitors from pursuing their amorous interests in females during mating season. Number 1. Proboscis monkeys, proboscis and penis. The holy proboscis monkey has an odd-looking nose, to say the least, as its name implies. The male of the species possesses a penis that can only be described as completely odd, even though the animal's name doesn't imply that any other part of its anatomy is bizarre. The Animal World's Jimmy Durant, the proboscis monkey has a nose that looks like a banana, only it's orange instead of yellow. The monkey is cursed with a pot belly, strange voice box, and various other bizarre traits, once discovered, are never forgotten, according to writer Brad Joseph. That was the top 10 animals with totally crazy body parts. What's the coolest animal you've ever seen? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and like to hear more from us, subscribe to Now Trending and turn on notifications before you go. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.